Hi, if you're experiencing blurry text on Windows, this is what might be the problem, and this probably is the problem. So, right click, display settings. Now, in the display settings, you need to watch out for what kind of monitor you have. You need to check the resolution of your monitor, and usually, when you click on the display resolution, I just scroll down. If you click on the display resolution, it will give you a recommended resolution. If you're not on a recommended resolution, then you're gonna have some problems that are gonna be with the blurriness, that are gonna be with your maybe sizing of your windows, and it's now on my screen very weirdly because my OBS works on the resolution that I put. So it might be causing you a lot of problems while changing the display resolution. Make sure it is all on recommended settings. Eventually what you can do is scale it a bit up or a bit down, but don't vary a lot from the recommended settings on the display settings. Good luck.